I have a huge debt going back about 4 years with federal tax. The rep told me I can try and do an offer and compromise before I try to set up an installment plan. Okay, I'm assuming this rep here is from the IRS. What is it with IRS phone people just telling people, oh yeah, just do an offer and compromise. If it doesn't work out, do an installment agreement. Yeah. No wonder the offer and compromise accepted rates have gone down. We have so many scammers in the industry today. And plus, I think we're having IRS people telling people to DIY their offers who have no business DIYing an offer. Right? So what does this guy, what's the guy do? Talks to IRS rep says try and offer and compromise. Then bro goes on Reddit and asks, is it hard to do? And do I need to come up with any docs or statements of any sort? Yes. And I don't want to be insulting here, but like, if you're the kind of person who, if you're thinking about doing something like an offer and compromise or anything, and your first inclination is to go ask random people on Reddit about it, what you need to do you need any docs or statements, rather than research the thing itself, probably best you don't try to DIY your offer and compromise. Because yes, it can be hard. There are many deadlines. It's a long process. And yes, there's plenty of docs and statements you have to submit along with it. There's the Form 656, there's the Form 433 AOIC, there's all the documentation you need, there's your application fee, there's your down payment. Oh, and that's just submitting the package. Once the IRS has the package, you got to look out for all the letters and all the deadlines and all the respond bys and the interaction with the offer examiner, and it is a lot. Okay, it is a lot. They estimate $400 a month payment for a few years and going up to nearly $700 a month. Okay, that's, I guess, if we're talking about an installment agreement. With my income and child support and bills, I don't know how I'll be able to afford that, so I really hope the offer goes through and knocks down my debt with them. Any help is appreciated. This is the exact kind of person who they need to talk. I'm not saying they need to hire somebody. They should probably, though. But they need to at least talk to somebody who can actually go through all their numbers, because if you're on Reddit and you're asking randos, they're not going to say send me all your numbers, right? Send me on your CSET date, send me everything, so they can do a proper analysis of this individual's situation. What this person needs to do, this person needs to get on the phone with us right now. Give us a call at Choice Tax Relief, because we will give you a free consultation. 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the website. We will reach out to you. Okay? You need to do that, right? Because I can kind of tell by the way this is written that this is not the kind of person where you want to DIY things or figure things out on your own, because you went straight to Reddit rather than actually looking at actual source documents and what to do here. Okay? And we'll push you in the right direction. We'll show you one way or the other. Oh yeah, I think we could swing an OIC, or probably not, right? And if it's probably not, okay, is what the IRS proposed reasonable based on your numbers? Kind of a step up from 400 to 700, or do we think it could be argued that you should be, even though you don't qualify for the offer, you should still be able to pay a lot less than that on a monthly basis? Okay, so we'll see. Anyway. That's why we do this. Like I said, free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief. I would encourage folks, anyone who's DIYing anything with this stuff, to be educated about it, though. And even if you're paying someone to do this for you, you still want to be educated, right? So you can know what's going on. That's why I have all these videos about the Offer and Compromise program here. Here's a couple of them on the left-hand side of the screen for your education and enjoyment. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.